Introduction to Focus Booster and the Pomodoro Technique.
Focus Booster is an easy-to-use app that helps you apply the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method based on short, focused work sessions followed by short breaks. This technique boosts productivity and minimizes distractions. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up Focus Booster and start using it for more effective work sessions.
Creating your Focus Booster account.
To get started, go to the Focus Booster website and create a new account using your email address or social sign-in option. Once registered, log in to the dashboard. Here you'll see tools for managing Pomodoro sessions, tracking activity, and reviewing your productivity stats.
Setting up your Pomodoro sessions.
Focus Booster offers flexible session settings. The classic Pomodoro technique uses 25-minute work intervals followed by 5-minute breaks. In the settings menu, you can adjust session and break lengths to fit your workflow. Save your preferences to personalize your experience and make each session more effective.
Starting and completing a Focus Booster session.
To begin a session, simply click the Start Session button. Focus Booster will automatically time your work period and alert you when it's time for a break. During each session, the timer is displayed prominently to help you stay on track and avoid distractions. After your session, enjoy your scheduled break before starting the next round.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Focus Booster automatically records your completed Pomodoro sessions. Visit the dashboard to review your productivity data, see how many sessions you have finished, and analyze time spent on different tasks. This helps you identify patterns and improve your focus and efficiency over time.
Tips for maximizing productivity with Focus Booster.
Stay consistent by using Focus Booster daily. Set realistic goals for each session and don't skip your breaks. Review your stats regularly to spot areas for improvement. With Focus Booster and the Pomodoro Technique, you'll build better habits and achieve more in less time.